Where your lemon at?
Right
You
there.
gotta put some more lemon in there. Don't get no attitude. I'm just trying to show you how to cook some. Man, can't teach you nothing. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. All right, a little bit more herb. A little bit. Spread it around. Hurry up. You gotta cook rice. You got a whole attitude. You got a problem or something? Get it together. All right. So what's the next step? What you do next? What you doing?
It's brown.
You remember? Huh?
It's browning.
Oh, okay. Trying to teach you something, y'all. Gotta be patient. Getting that with the lady, man. If she can't cook, show her. Everything will work out. What you say?
Same.
Oh, okay.